My name is Aman and this is Nylo, my final project for CS50. Nylo is a personal mental wellness and self-reflection web application designed to help users reflect privately on their emotions, habits, and finances without social pressure or distractions. I built Nylo as a calm, private alternative to many wellness platforms that focus on comparison, validation, or constant engagement. The core idea behind Nylo is simple. People often feel overwhelmed or anxious, but they rarely get a quiet space to reflect on their own journey. Nylo focuses on self awareness instead of performance, and that philosophy guided every design decision. So, users start by registering or login. The authentication is handled using Flask sessions, and passwords are securely hashed before being stored into the database. Once logged in, all routes are protected, ensuring users can only access their own data. So let's start by registering ourselves. So it will ask for the username. So I will enter my username, my email, confirm your password. This will log me in and it will automatically fetch the username from the database and show it here and say welcome the username here. My username is amanmercury23, so this is showing amanmercury23. So the major or the main essence of this app is in check-in. So the user can log their mood with something that went well today, because this will only one entry per day. So what went well that day, but something that felt difficult for that day, and what are the intention the user want to set for tomorrow. So once hit check-in, this will redirect to the dashboard, and as I haven't logged my day yet, so it's showing nothing here. So I will just go and set something here. So when will be created a video, okay, and some technical issues, so maybe we can lock that for the struggle, and goal will be maybe improve on the design. And once I will hit the save check-in, this will automatically take me to the dashboard, and here it is: the mood, the win, the struggle, and intention for tomorrow is set it. And the second most important feature of this app is journal. So you can reflect on your thoughts here, and once you click save entry, this will reflect here in the past entries section. And one more feature, I have tried to make the interface calm and and manage my links in the navigation, so that the user didn't get distracted or feel overwhelmed by seeing so many navigations. So here is the hamburger icon where I have set all other. Here you can see the mood logs where you can see your past moods, like I have recorded one today, and the check-in which from where we recorded our day, and the general we have seen that, and the expenses. One more feature which is also help you to declutter your mind and focus on your productivity tasks, which will help you to boost your performance and focus on the things which is actually important for you to grow. And here are AI insights. In this feature, the user can get the basic idea of their general or expenses or the mood check-ins. So the AI, when the generate reflection is hit, the AI will look for the generals, mood reflections, and the expenses, and give you a summary that what went well and what is the thought which you can journal, and a simple advice for you to improve on. Okay, and here is the weekly summary where you can see how my week was, to see patterns. And one more section which is settings. So here you can set whether you want the AI reflections or not, and also you can delete your data as, and also delete your account if you want. So the user will have all the control over the data. And here is also an important thing which is crisis support. If a user feel difficult moments, so you can take the help from the helpline numbers, and also internationally can find helpline from the find here link. And at last, I have added a privacy policy, which is really important for the apps which uses or stores data, and especially for mental health, as people feel more comfortable to log their things, as the user will have all the access to delete, to control basically all of its data. So this was my project. The tech stack for this app was the CS50 assets. I have used HTML and Tailwind for the designing to make it more simpler and clear code, and also the Jinja syntax for dynamic changes. And backend, I've used Flask and for databases, and session handling, Flask session handling for authentication, and taken help of AI to brainstorm ideas, and also debugging and helping me to boost and add the user centric features and applications. All of my learning is deployed and invested in this app. So this was Nylo. Thank you, CS50.